Right now, hundreds of Chicago area residents picked up by federal agents will have to stay in custody at least a little while longer. An appeals court heard arguments but didn't rule yet in whether or not these detainees should be released. Our Sabrina Franza was in the courtroom for this. She joins us live with more from the Dirksen Federal Building. Sabrina.
Marie, in this case, 3 judges sat on a panel and the majority opinion will eventually rule. Each side had 20 minutes to make their case, but they spent the majority of that time answering questions from the judges on that panel as to whether or not the original judge, in this case a federal judge, had the authority to release hundreds of immigrants on bond.
We think that Judge Cummings acted well within his authority, but the judges have clearly given this a great deal of thought, and we are hopeful to get a decision soon.
Attorneys for the National Immigrant Justice Center have been fighting for a consent decree forbidding federal agents from conducting warrantless immigration arrests without probable cause since the first Trump administration.
We began settlement negotiations before Biden took office, before the election, during the first Trump administration. So it's not as if this was a decree that was completely a Biden administration issue. This is a decree that the first Trump administration sought.
In 2022, both parties signed the agreement. A few weeks ago, the government was presented with countless violations in the past year, many during Operation Midway Blitz, resulting in a federal judge ordering the release of hundreds of people on bond pending their immigration cases.
What the consent decree does is not something novel that the law didn't already require.
Attorneys for the Department of Homeland Security have argued that the court cannot get involved in this way, appealing the case, which is why it's now in the hands of a higher court.
If the majority of the judges on this panel here rule against DHS, around 400 to 450 people stand to be released on bond. We do know that the federal government has already said they're asking the court for 14 days to possibly appeal that decision, if it comes out that way, to the Supreme Court. Live at the Dirksen Federal Building, Sabrina Franza, CBS News, Chicago.